Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will learn about export. What is the working of export? This tab is used to export data from Axis. By this tab, we can export Excel file, text file, XML file, HTML file, and many other format of in many other formats. We can export our data outside Axis. We can also export an item to external Access database. Means we can bring a table into some other Access database with the help of export option. By saved export command, we can save export wizard step for future use as we did in import. And by saved export commands, we can export again previously exported data on a single click as we did its demo in previous video in case of import. Now we will do it practically. First we will create a database. Export. Location will be desktop and create. First of all, we will create a table. And save this table. Table 1, it's okay. Primary key, yes, we will add. So primary column will be added automatically. Fill some data. Save and close this table. Now select this table, go to external data and export. First of all, we'll export this table into Excel file. So we'll click on Excel, browse, desktop, Excel table. If we check these two options, first option will save this table into Excel file with format, along with format, and second option, as soon as this table will convert to Excel file, it will open that destination file. We can look it practically. This formatting is also present in it and file has been opened. Save and export will save all these steps, and if you want to export that table again, we simply select this and we'll click on run. But that file we should delete from here first, and after that run that file again, export it. We can look here, file is again here. So like this we can use saved and export command. Next, export this table in Word file. Sorry, one thing is left. If we click again on this Excel file and we keep unchecked both these options, so what will happen? We can look here. It is Excel file but without formatting, while this file was exported with formatting. So this is the main difference. And second difference is, when this file is created, it doesn't open. We can look it again. Excel, browse, desktop, uncheck this option, okay, close. So that file will not open now. We can look here, file didn't open. And second, file is without formatting. So both these options if are unchecked, in that case neither file will be formatted nor will open just after creation. Next, export this file in the format of Word. Same situation here. If we check this option, that file will open, otherwise will not. It is Word file along with formatting. Next, convert this file to text file. And same thing, if we export data with formatting and open, then little bit formatting will be added to text file. We can look here. It is text file along with data and little bit formatting, as table is created and data is centralized. It is. But again, text file, if we keep unchecked this option, it will ask delimiter, means separator. Here is separator is comma. If we remove this comma, so data will be separated by semicolon, comma, space. If we say other like this, all these will work as separator. So I am taking comma as a separator. When this file will created, so these fields will separate to each other with the help of comma. We can look here. It is file, fields are separated with each other by a comma, not in proper format like previously created text file as in it. So this is file with formatting and the second file is without formatting. Next option, export this table to Access database. So for this we have to look at database. My database I am taking. To test it or to check it, we have to open this database. This is the table. Like this, we can export one table from one Access database to another. XML file, file in XML format has been converted. HTML document, same thing will happen over here if we check all these options. Formatting and file is open. So like this, with the help of all these options, we can export Access data in various formats. There are some more options, but to work with these options, the software related to these options should be installed in the system. So I think it will not work. So these are the options, basic options that I told you in this video, how we can export a table into various type of format. If you have any query or if you want to ask something, you can ask me through comment. You can like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.